Ready? Jim, are you ready for the day?
Oh, I'm ready for today. Lori's gonna kick butt. She's an awesome driver, and Ruby is a beast.
Ruby is a beast. Like, this vehicle surprises me all the time.
Oh yeah.
Over there is Matt and Kara, our fearless leaders, and all the other people that are enjoying their time here. Got lots of different rigs. So much fun. Watching the cool sunrise this morning. And plan on having a great day on the trails. I said my brain's like an SD card, it's full. Like, no more.
You're looking good. Start going a little passenger if you can. Driver.
You go this way and say passenger.
Yeah,
what are you doing? Which way you want me to go?
Go a little, driver. Just a little. There you go. Now when you start coming up this, start going passenger. It's going to be hard.
Passenger. Holy shit, is it hard?
Yeah, it's going to fight you. There you go.
There you go.
You're good. Now little driver.
Whoa, good job.
There you go. Driver. Little driver. Yep. Now passenger.
Good job, Nagel. Yeah, so our trail guide is paving the way. He's got to stack some rocks underneath there so that he can make the turn and not slide. Needs some traction. Here comes Jim. We are on Huckleberry. Thought we were on Mars, but we're on Huckleberry.
No, just stay where you're at. Keep going. No. Yeah, stay how you are. That'll be you. He's not taking 5 minutes.
Seen it?
Back up.
Yeah, he just straighten out the wheels.
There you go. Go driver a little bit. There you go. Now you can start going past.
Well, here we are after lunch now in a quick pass through a cave, and we are on Lonesome Dove, and Lori is now the driver.